WhatsApp for iOS has received a new request info feature that debuted on Android devices through a beta version last month. Now this new feature allows you to see all the information WhatsApp has collected through your account, including your account info settings, profile photos, and group names. Do note that all the personal messages are end-to-end encrypted, which means no one can access your daily communications, not even WhatsApp. So want to know how to download the data WhatsApp has collected on you so far? Just follow these simple steps. But before we go ahead with this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the bell icon so you know when we have a new video. If you are using an Android device, then make sure that the Android beta version of WhatsApp is 2.18.128 or later. Once downloaded, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, select Account, then select Request Account Info and tap on Request Report. Now once you have requested your report, it will be available roughly 3 days after the date requested. However, the actual time is lesser as we received it within an hour. Users can refer to the ready by date when waiting for the report. It's also worth noting that certain actions such as deleting your account, changing your number on handset, or re-registering your accounts will cancel the request. So that's all in this video. If you have any other specific questions regarding this update, do post your questions in the YouTube comment section below. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome tech content.